Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am actually putting together my everyday makeup look. It's pretty simple and it's easy and it's obviously meant for the everyday Indian girl. Now I prefer my makeup to be easy, so I don't really use too many products, but what I use are actually like my holy grail. So I'm actually starting off by using my Smashbox primer spray. It's amazing, I absolutely love it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my entire face using my Color Bar primer. Moving on to my eyes, I am using this concealer pot from MAC in the shade NC45. It's actually working for me like a concealer cum corrector, so I don't really have to use a corrector. I just straight away go ahead and use this conceal to cover my dark circles. And you can definitely see what a huge difference it makes, and it is so amazing and awesome, which is why I wanted to actually show you guys why I recommend this product so highly for people who want to kind of correct their under eye issues. And on top of that, I am just simply going to go ahead and use my Krylon concealer, which is in the shade 28. Now this kind of works for me in, highlighting my under eye area as well, and the shade is so right that I can also use it all over my face to kind of color correct as well as conceal some areas that I need to conceal. If you're probably wondering why I'm so happy and jumpy in the video, it's probably because music was playing while I was filming this video, and then each time my favorite song pops, this is what happens to me. And yep, now let's move to the next step, which is blending, because blend is your friend. So I'm just going to blend away all the concealer that I had dotted all over my face. Now to make sure that my makeup stays in place and lasts me all day long, I'm going to set it up with this Clinique Loose powder, so as it avoids any creasing, like my makeup doesn't crease too much and lasts me just the way it is, plus it also takes away excess shine. So yep, that works perfectly for my oily skin. Moving on to my eyes, I'm just going to use this light brown color from my Too Faced chocolate palette. I prefer a very neutral, slightly brown look during the day. I don't want like my eyes to be popping, and I don't like over the top makeup during the day. So this is what I usually prefer, and yep, I'm then just going to go ahead and use a slightly darker color to just kind of contour the outer areas of my eyes and just give it a lift so as my eyes look awakened and not droopy during the day especially. Moving on to my lashes, I am using this MAC mascara. Oh my god, this mascara is so good, and ever since it has entered my life, I think my lashes look so full and I practically never feel the need to wear falsies. So you can literally see how well they work and how well they open up my eye, and I think mascara has become such an important step that no matter what, I never step out of the house without using my mascara. I'm also sharing like my little hack here in this video with you all. I'm actually trying to grow out my brows, which is why you can see that I haven't shaped them. And when I'm usually doing that, I kind of want to still tame them and make them look slightly fuller. So what I do is I don't throw away my mascara wand after I am done using it on my lashes. To be very honest, when it comes to lipstick, it actually totally depends on the mood that I have woken up with in the morning. And today I was feeling pink, so I'm using this lipstick from Color Bar to kind of give my lips a nice pinky dewy look. And yep, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, make sure you all chat with me in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.